The Office of the President is the central executive office of the government. It directly assists the President in running the whole government, supervising all departments and making sure laws are properly carried out. It also houses special bodies, council and task forces created to handle national issues such as public safety, disaster response, corruption, and national security. The DOJ is the government's main legal and prosecution arm. It ensures that laws are obeyed and that crimes are investigated and prosecuted. It supervises agencies like the NBI, Bureau of Immigration, and Public Attorney's Office. Basically, DOJ ensures justice, legal order, and the protection of the rights of Filipinos. DILG handles peace and order, public safety, and the supervision of local government units. It oversees the Philippine National Police, Bureau of Fire, and Bureau of Bail Management and Penology. Its role is to ensure that barangays, municipalities, and cities and provinces function properly and safely. The DOTR regulates and manages all transportation system, land or sea, and air. It creates policies to ensure safe, reliable, and efficient travels. It oversees agencies like LTO, LTFRB, CAAP, Marina, and the Philippine Ports Authority. The DOF or Department of Finance manages government finances, taxes, and revenues. It ensures that the government has funds to operate and deliver public services. It supervises agencies such as Bureau of Internal Revenue or BIR, Bureau of Custom or BOC, and Bureau of Treasury and other financial institutions owned by the government. Office of the Ombudsman. The Ombudsman is an independent body that investigates and prosecutes government officials who commit corruption, abuses of power, and misconduct. It protects citizens by ensuring that public officials follow ethical standards and are held accountable. Cybercrime Investigation and Coordinating Center or the CICC. CICC is the lead agency in the cybercrime prevention. It coordinates cybersecurity efforts, creates national cybersecurity policies, manages cyber threat, responds through the national CERT, and strengthens the capability of the law enforcement to fight hacking, online fraud, and other cyber offenses. Presidential Anti-Organized Crime Commission or the PAOCC. The PAOCC is the President's coordinating body against organized crime. It brings together various law enforcement agencies to target large-scale criminal groups involved in the activities such as drug trafficking and human trafficking, financial fraud, and smuggling. It ensures fast, unified response to major criminal threats. Anti-Money Laundering Council or the AMLC. The AMLC is the Philippines Financial Intelligence Unit. It tracks suspicious financial transactions, investigates money laundering, terrorism, financing, and freezes or seizes illegally obtained assets. It works with the banks, financial institutions, law enforcement, and foreign bodies to prevent criminal money flow. Philippine Center for Transnational Crime or the PCTC. PCTC coordinates government efforts against crimes that cross borders such as human trafficking, drug trafficking, cybercrime, and smuggling. It collects intelligence assets and operation and works with the foreign police and international law enforcement networks. Philippine Amusement and Gaming Corporation or the PAGCOR. PAGCOR regulates and operates gambling and gaming establishments in the Philippines. It issues license, ensures legal and fair gaming operations, and earns revenue for the government. Part of its income is to use to the fund of national projects, health services, and disaster relief efforts. Volunteer Against Crime and Corruption, or the VACC. VACC is a private citizens organization that supports victims of crime and advocates justice and anti-corruption reforms. It assists in filing cases, monitoring investigations, and raising public awareness about crimes in government corruption.